Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to discuss with you the question answers of the chapter Up You Go. Why climbing a mountain is challenging task. Climbing a mountain is challenging due to the risky factors like high altitudes, steep slopes of mountains, dangerous rivers, deep valleys, etc. To cross these is a very challenging task. If I were to climb a mountain, I would take a thick rope, sling, hunter shoes, plastic sheet, pittance, diary, torch, towel, soap, wind cheater, whistle, food packets, water bottle, glucose, snacks, etc. Besides all these necessary things, I would also carry a camera to capture the memories. What quality should a group leader have? Responsibilities of a group leader include taking care of each member of the group, maintaining discipline among all, guiding all members to the right path. What is mountaineering? What kind of people take it up and why? Mountaineering is the set of activities that involves ascending mountains. The people who love adventures usually take it up. Along with Edmund Hillary, who was the other person climbed the highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest. Guess the answer? Tenzing Norgay? Yes, it is correct. Name the highest mountain peak of India. K2, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest. Should we check now? Hope some of you might be answering. Yes, some of you, Mount Everest. Again, that is wrong. That's why I checked these two answers for you, because most of the time we are reading about the Mount Everest in the chapter, but it is not the highest mountain peak of India. Here the question is asking about the India. So Kanchenjunga is the correct answer. What equipments are used during mountaineering? What equipments are used during mountaineering? A thick rope, sling, stick, axe, oxygen cylinder, hunter shoes, etc. are needed for climbing the mountains. Besides mountaineering, what are the other activities that can be called adventurous? Besides mountaineering, activities like riding on high swings, rock climbing, trekking, and river rafting can be called adventurous. All these activities need the person to control his fear of height or water. Why do we need extra energy on the mountains? Mountains are usually very steep. Excuse me, children. Mountains are usually very steep. While climbing mountains, our body goes up against the energy is spent. Besides, due to high altitudes, the air is comparatively thin, so the body doesn't get enough oxygen. Here, the word altitudes or latitudes will mean the same. Altitudes means height, and latitudes are the lines on the globe. Okay? So, once again, I'll read this answer. The question is, why do we need extra energy for on the mountains? Mountains are usually very steep. While climbing mountains, our body goes up against the gravitational pull of Earth. For this, our muscles need to take extra strain and hence more energy is spent. Besides, due to high latitudes or altitudes, the air is comparatively thin, so the body doesn't get enough oxygen. Climbing without the help of a rope, solo climbing. A person trained to climb mountains, mountaineer. Sports that is done for thrill and excitement, adventure sport. And children, this is your chapter. Read it. Mountaineering camp, spelling of the mountaineering, the date 2nd February 1984, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi, all these words you should be aware of. Then it is Kendriya Vidyalayas, 26 kilometers. Brigadier Gyan Singh was the director of this adventure course. All these are the important things to be kept in mind while reading the chapter. You can underline these things. She was leading group number 7. And then the big responsibility, help others in carrying their bags. Here, children, some of you, when it is asked to write about the responsibility of a class monitor, there you don't have to write to carry the bags of the other children. Class monitor is not doing that. So here, help others, it is for the mountaineering leader. Help others in carrying their bags. Let the group go ahead and keep to the last. That means the monitor will be look after those who are not well. Arrange for food for the group. Then this is about the group number 7, and girls were from Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland. And here her friend was from Mizoram and she spoke only Mizo. And what was the name of her friend? Kondombe. Spelling please remember nicely. Then what adventure they had? Crossing the river was also there. They had to cross the river. Vitamin C, iron tablets, hot chocolate milk in their breakfast. And how to climb. Okay? These are the pictures. Many times, please read the chapter again and again and again so that every type of answer you can write. Whatever is asked, you will be able to write the answer in your own words. Textbook solutions are also there, which I have shared, and here are the things which are to be taken. Rucksack. Okay, if it is asked to you that you have to go for a trek or you are going for a mountaineering camp, what all things are you going to take? What is What is rappelling? Hope you understand. When getting down from the rope. What was the funny incident? Who was the special guest? Bachendri Pal. And then the short note on Bachendri Pal also. What is the Pahadi song? So, this is all about your chapter. Read it nicely. Go through the videos which I am sharing with you, children, so that it will help you to answer whatever question is asked. Okay, thank you, children.